Hey friends, if you wish to enable uppercase spell check or rather say disable it, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you what happens. Let us say I typed a word, okay. This is in British English, and as per the American English guidelines, this is an incorrect word. So it has been marked as red, but I know that it's correct. So to distinguish it from other words, I made the first letter capital, and this also happens with names and a lot of words which are proper nouns. Now word may not recognize it and just mark it as red. So what can I do in this case? First of all, I will increase its size so that you can see it properly. I will simply click on File, Options, Proofing, and uncheck this box, ignore words in uppercase, and then okay. When I restart this document, and for words that I write further, as far as they are in uppercase, they will not be marked accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.